Recently, I went on a bike ride to clear my mind so I could come up with new content ideas for my next YouTube video. If you're stuck coming up with content ideas, I highly recommend using the AI-powered software ChatGPT. Let me show you how to use it to come up with content ideas for your next YouTube video. You can also use it to generate video titles, descriptions, a video hook, or video script. The first thing I want to do is to go deep inside the mind of your target audience. I asked ChatGPT to write a first-person account of what it feels like to be a dad struggling with losing weight. ChatGPT answered, "As a dad, I know how important it is to be healthy and set a good example for my kids. But lately I've been struggling with losing weight and it's been weighing on me, no pun intended. I know I need to eat better and exercise more, but it's easier said than done." And it finishes off with, "I know that losing weight and getting healthy is a journey, and it's one that I'm committed to taking. Even though it's tough, I keep pushing myself to make progress one step at a time." Use this prompt to go deep inside the mind of your target audience. Now that you understand your target audience better, you want to ask ChatGPT to come up with a bunch of new video ideas. I asked ChatGPT to list out 10 video ideas for a video titled "How to Lose Weight." The signs of weight loss. In this video, you could explain the basics of how weight loss works, including the role of calories, metabolism, and exercise. Meal prep ideas for weight loss. 10-minute workouts for weight loss. How to stay motivated when losing weight. Within a few seconds, ChatGPT gave me 10 video ideas for a video titled "How to Lose Weight." You can use this prompt to generate a bunch of ideas for your next YouTube video. If you're stuck trying to come up with a bunch of different video titles, just ask ChatGPT. I chose video idea number 8 from the previous exercise. Healthy habits for long-term weight loss. So I'm going to highlight that, copy it, paste it into ChatGPT. I asked ChatGPT to list out 10 titles for a video titled "Healthy Habits for Long-Term Weight Loss." Within a few seconds, ChatGPT came up with 10 different video titles for my next YouTube video. The Power of Habits, How to Build a Healthy Lifestyle for Life. 10 healthy habits to help you lose weight and keep it off. The Science of Weight Loss, How Healthy Habits Can Help You Succeed, etc. Here's a prompt you can use to get a bunch of different video titles. One of the hardest things about creating a video is coming up with a video script. Let's ask ChatGPT to create the video script. I'm going to highlight title number 2 that was generated from the previous exercise. Now I'm going to ask ChatGPT to write a script for a video titled 10 Healthy Habits to Help You Lose Weight and Keep It Off. So I've got eat a balanced diet, drink plenty of water, practice portion control, get regular exercise, prioritize sleep, practice mindful eating, keep a food journal, surround yourself with support, limit screen time, practice self-care, and even wrote a conclusion. Use a video script as a draft or starting point, then go through it and add your own examples to make it more unique. Use this prompt to write a script for your next YouTube video. A lot of people don't realize this, but you can keep engaging with ChatGPT to get an even better output. For example, I could ask for a rewrite in the style of a famous creator. I could ask it to make it longer. I can ask it to make it shorter. I can even ask it to make it easier to read. When I try to come up with a video description, I often draw a blank. So why not ask ChatGPT to summarize the video script created in the previous exercise? So I asked ChatGPT to summarize the script. Let's see what it says. This video titled 10 Healthy Habits to Help You Lose Weight and Keep It Off highlights 10 healthy habits that can help viewers achieve their weight loss goals and maintain a healthy weight long term, etc. Use this prompt to write a script for your next YouTube video. I can even ask ChatGPT to write a short, engaging description for a video titled 10 Healthy Habits to Help You Lose Weight and Keep It Off. Let's see what it comes up with. Are you struggling to lose weight and keep it off? Look no further. In this video, we're sharing 10 healthy habits that will help you achieve your weight loss goals and maintain a healthy weight long term. From practicing portion control and mindful eating to surrounding yourself with support and practicing self-care, these habits are simple, sustainable, and effective. Don't miss out on this essential guide to reaching your weight loss goals and living your healthiest life. Use this prompt to get ChatGPT to create a short, engaging description for your next YouTube video. The first 30 seconds of a YouTube video will determine if your viewers are going to keep watching your video all the way through. Therefore, you need a super engaging hook. Let's ask ChatGPT to create a super engaging hook for this video. I asked ChatGPT to give me 5 ideas for attention-grabbing hooks for the first 10 seconds of a YouTube video titled 10 Healthy Habits to help you lose weight and keep it off. Let's see what it says. Are you tired of trying every diet under the sun and still struggling to lose weight? In this video, we're sharing 10 healthy habits that will help you lose weight and keep it off for good. If you're struggling to lose weight and keep it off, you're not alone, but there is a solution. In this video, we're sharing 10 healthy habits that can help you achieve your weight loss goals and maintain a healthy weight for life. Here's the prompt you can use to ask ChatGPT to create super engaging hooks. If you want to get 10 more ways on how to come up with new ideas for future YouTube videos, watch the video on the screen right now titled Create Endless Content Ideas that your YouTube audience will love. You'll be glad you did.